Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got another beautiful piece of mulberry to show you today. So this is the Mulberry Willow and it's size small and it's in this beautiful taupe colour. So it's kind of this wintry, mushroomy, neutral colour, which is just beautiful. I'll talk you through the features. So we've got double top handles, of course with that mulberry cloche and the little mulberry padlock peeking at the bottom there as well. And then we have one removable strap, so that just attaches really nice and easily on either end to those loops there and there. And then we have one little magnetic press stud fasten, and inside the bag we've got one zip pocket just there. So I'll just do that zip back up, and then we've got two flat pockets here and here. We've got the little mulberry tag just down there as well. On the front of the bag, we've got one external pocket, and it's got that classic mulberry postman's lock on that flat closure. So I'll open that up and show you in there. All the interior is in that gorgeous suede fabric in that same taupe colour, which is beautiful. And this front pocket, you can see it's got zips on either side. So it actually, they zip straight down, and that is actually completely removable, that front pocket, but I'll show you that in a little bit more detail when I show you the size. The condition of this one, we have called the exterior and the interior good. They, as you can see, that leather actually has no kind of stains or marks or anything like that for me to show you. It's gorgeous and smooth. The reason we've called it good is you can see it's just lost a little bit of its shape in some areas. You can see it's quite creased, perhaps from how it's been stored on those edges just there. You can see the base has a couple of dents and indentations and things like that, but other than that, that leather is absolutely stunning and it's so smooth. Feels really, really soft, and it's in a gorgeous condition. Those corners, as you can see, they've got no signs of wear to them. They're in a beautiful condition. The interior, again, we've called good. Again, there's no kind of marks or stains or anything like that for me to show you. It's just like the typical marks that suede gets from things sitting on it. You can see it quite clearly here, just in that flat closure on the front pocket. Where it sits along there, it just gets a little bit marked, so that's why we've called it good. But again, other than that, it is stunning in there. The hardware we have called very, very good. You can see, if anything, there's just very, very tiny little hairline scratches, which you can barely see on the camera. You can see just tiny bit, and I'm being so picky. Other than that, you can see like these zip tags, zip pulls are in a lovely condition, and even these loops on either end are still beautiful and shiny, and they've got hardly any signs of wear to them. So it is a beautiful piece of mulberry in a gorgeous condition. If you wanted to know any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That link is the link to shop this bag, so it should hopefully take you directly to this mulberry on our website, armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list that you can get onto, so if you really love this, let us know. Send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. We get in new bags all the time, so as soon as we get in another one like this, we'll let you know. We'll send you through an email with a link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly the next time we have one in. So that's the request list. As I said, so that is the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be in the link in the description below on our website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'll come back here. So I have a size UK 10 and 5'4", so you can pop that on your shoulder like that with that long removable strap, or you can pop it across your body as well, which is really nice. But obviously that is removable as well, so you've got the option to pop those clips off, so I'll just show you that. So just pop them off either end nice and easily, just like that. And then you've got the option to just hold it by those top handles, and it's such a sweet little shape. And I think the small is a really nice size as well. It's not too heavy, but definitely big enough to fit in some essentials. Would make a lovely work bag because it's got a lovely kind of sophisticated shape to it. And this front pocket as well, and that front pocket too, you can see that we've got those zips on either side. So if you wanted to unzip that completely, and then that just slides off of there, slides off of those zips just like that. Just make sure it's down properly. There we go, slides off just like that. And then you've still got that gorgeous shape of that bag. Then you've got the option of a nice little extra pocket that you can pop in the bag, or you can hold it as a gorgeous little clutch as well, which is a nice option. So it's a fun little feature of the Mulberry Willow. If you wanted more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below. Have a browse through our website while you're there, have a look at all of our other beautiful Armcandy. We have so much on there for you to have a look at, so make sure you have a look through there. Sign up to our newsletter to keep yourself updated on what we're getting in, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code when you sign up to our newsletter as well, so don't miss out on that. If you're a bag lover like we are, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you. We've got so much beautiful Armcandy that we want you to see, so subscribe to our channel. And also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags that you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page, so have a look on there, read through the process, and we'll see you later with some more.